Today we are here for class 9 chapter 1st computer application and part 2. I hope in the previous lecture everybody understand because there was no confusion or no query in our WhatsApp group. So start now. In this lecture we will study about what is a computer. Second, terms related to computer, terms like hardware, software, data and information. Data and information is like the same word, but there is a little difference, or you can say it is a lots of difference between them. The next is function of computer, how computer work or how computer function, on which basis it work is IPO. Internet Process Output Functions, and this is the last topic, function of computer. So we start with what is a computer. It is easy to say that computer is an electronic device which make our work easy, but this definition is for the lower section, not for the higher section or higher standard. For higher standard, the definition is a computer is an electronic device or group of electronic devices to process data or to perform a variety of operations or instruction. It is a combination of hardware as well as software which transform data into information. Understand? Data into information, which means data is in the raw form which can be processed into the information. Terms related to computer. Terms related to computer are hardware. The first term is hardware. Hardware is a physical component of computer which we can touch or feel, like table, chair. These are the physical components. In computer we basically talk about the cabinet, the hard disk, RAM, processor. These are the physical components or the hardware of computer. Second is software. Software is the second part of computer which we can only see but can't feel or analyze it. In software we can say it is set of codes or instruction which is given to make the hardware work. And the next is data. Data is a raw form of information. It is not a complete information. It is like if we want to make a chapati, then wheat flour is the raw form or data, and the chapati is information, which means it is a complete meaningful information. Next topic is function of computer. Computer work on three basic functions: input, process, output, which we in the short form say IPO. Information can be processed, means data when processed it use input section or input unit or input device. The input device sends the data for processing to the processor, or we can say it is a CPU, and after the processing the CPU send the result in the form of hard copy or soft copy. Hard copy is the printed form. We use printer for hard copy, and soft copy system use monitor to display the result. These are the basic for our lecture today, and if any query, please ask me on the WhatsApp group. We will continue tomorrow for this. Okay, thank you.